Welcome! Today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into a Samsung Tab S8 Plus. First of all, open your Google application, this one, and go into. Then in the right top corner we got our Google account icon, so click it. One more time, Google account icon, and choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant, and here need to scroll down and find general option, this one, and click here to turn off Google Assistant. Confirm operation, click turn off one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.